Last period we had seen the preparation of suspense account, then how we will rectify the one-sided error through opening suspense account. Okay, so now we will continue the same topic. So we will do 18th question. Okay, 18th question, journal. Depreciation provided on machinery rupees 4,000 was not posted to depreciation account. Depreciation provided on machinery was not posted to depreciation account. Not posted to depreciation. So entry you tell only posting error, only one posting we didn't do. We didn't post to depreciation. Okay, so depreciation provided on machinery not posted to depreciation, not posted to depreciation. So the journal entry only we didn't post to depreciation. So first you have to look the journal depreciation provided on machinery. So what will be the entry if you correct rectification of errors? Aparna, depreciation account.
Sir,
No.
depreciation account debt to
Entry tell.
suspense account. Sir, depreciation account debt to suspense account.
Depreciation account to suspense account. If it is depreciation on machinery is there, entry will be depreciation account to machinery. Depreciation account to machinery because decrease in the value of asset, that is depreciation. So entry will be depreciation account to machinery. Asset value will decrease, so machinery credit. Okay, so here not posted to depreciation, so entry will be depreciation accounted to suspense account. So first we have to write depreciation account debtor to suspense account. Depreciation account to suspense account being depreciation on machinery, being depreciation on machinery not posted to depreciation, not posted to depreciation. So next, bad debt written off rupees 5,000 were not posted to depreciation, were not posted to debtors account. Bad debt written off. Bad debt means irrecoverable portion of sundry debtor. Irrecoverable portion of sundry debtor. That is called bad debt. Suppose I sold goods on credit to any person. It is sure that I won't get that amount. That is bad debt. Okay, so bad debt is a loss. So entry will be bad debt account to sundry debtor. Bad debt account to sundry debtor. That is the entry. Okay, so our sundry debtor will decrease because anyway we won't get the amount. That much amount we won't get. So sundry debtors account to bad debt account to sundry debtors. So here not posted to debtors. So entry will be Femina journal entry. Not posted to debtors. So entry will be
bad debt.
Bad debt only not posted to debtors.
Debtors account.
What is the journal entry? Written off. Bad debt account to debtors. Bad debt account to debtors. Then rectification of errors. Not posted to debtors. So you post to debtors. So entry will be
Suspense account.
yes, suspense account to post to
Debt.
yes, debtors account.
Debtors account.
To debtors account. Clear? Bad debt not posted to debtors. So debtors is credit. So suspense account to debtors account. Irfan, turn on your video. Being bad debt written off, bad debt written off, not posted to debtors, not posted to debtors. Okay, amount will be 5,000. Okay, suspense account to debtors. Next one, goods withdrawn by the proprietor. Goods withdrawn by the proprietor.
Sir, there is one more before that.
Okay, discount allowed. Discount allowed to a debtor rupees 100 on receiving cash from him was not posted to discount allowed. So we given discount allowed to the debtor. Discount we given to the debtor. So we didn't post it to discount allowed. So here you have to look, discount allowed is debit or credit. Discount allowed is debit or credit. On that basis, you have to post. So, Hannah, entry, discount allowed.
Discount allowed accounted to suspense.
Very good. Discount allowed account to suspense. Discount allowed account debtor to suspense account. Okay, being discount allowed to debtor, not posted to discount allowed account. Discount allowed account. Amount 100. Next, goods withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use. Goods withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use were not posted to drawings. So you look in that entry, drawings is with a debit or credit. Okay, then you rectify. Goods withdrawn by the owner for personal use were not posted to drawings account. Anila. Drawings. Normally in the entry.
Drawings account to purchase.
Yes, drawings accounted to suspense account. Drawings accounted to suspense account. Okay, drawings accounted to suspense account 800. Ancho Adul, turn on your video. Being goods withdrawn for personal use was not posted to drawings. Was not posted to drawings. Okay, drawings account to suspense account. Next, bills receivable for rupees 2000 received from a debtor. Suppose you look at the cash received from debtor. So what will be the entry? Atul, cash received from debtor means cash received from any person, cash received from Shubham. Journal entry.
Sir, cash account debtor to Shubham.
Cash accounted to that person, debtor. So here, instead of cash, we received bill. Okay, bills receivable. So instead of cash, we will write bills receivable accounted to debtor. So bills receivable from debtor was not posted to bills receivable account. Was not posted to bills receivable account. Anjo. Was not posted to bills receivable account.
Suspense account debtor to
Yes. Bills receivable accounted to suspense account. Bills receivable accounted to suspense account. Bills receivable account debtor to suspense account. Being bills receivable from debtors was not posted to bills receivable account. Amount 2000. Okay, then now we will prepare suspense account. We will prepare suspense account. Debit, credit. So on the basis of entry, we will post first entry, depreciation account to suspense. So suspense is credit. So credit side, we have to write by depreciation. By depreciation. Amount 4000. Next, second entry, suspense account to debtors. Suspense is debit. So debit side to debtors. To debtors 5000. So next third entry, discount allowed account to suspense. Suspense is credit. So credit side by discount allowed. By discount allowed. 100. Okay. Next fourth one, drawings account to suspense. Suspense is credit. So credit side by drawings. By drawings. By drawings 800. Sharath. Next one, drawings accounted to suspense that we wrote. Drawings we wrote. Next, Bills receivable account to suspense. Suspense is credit. So credit side by bills receivable. By bills receivable account. $2,000. Now you have to check which side is more. Debit or credit. So credit side is more. 6,900. 6,900. Balance amount 1,900. You have to write to difference as per trial balance. Difference as per trial balance. So if you put this amount, then the balance, the trial balance should be, it will be equal. This balancing figure. Okay, next question. Trial balance of Anuj didn't agree. It shows an excess credit of rupees 6,000. So up to last question, we didn't see like this adjustment. Here they specified that how much difference means excess credit. So in trial balance, credit side is more, 6,000 more. Then where we will put suspense? Credit is more, then where will put suspense? Debit or credit? Karthik, excess credit. So where will put
Debit.
Okay, debit side. Okay, so he put the difference to suspense account. He discovered that the following errors. Okay, then we will do. First, cash received from Ravish. Cash received from Ravish, rupees 8,000. Posted to his account as rupees 6,000. Listen, only he have the problem. So first you have to look at whether that Ravish is debit or credit in that entry. Here undercast only. Is it correct? Undercast. You look at that cash received from Ravish. So correct 8,000, but we posted to his account, only his account, as rupees 6,000. 6,000. Okay. So the rectification entry. Aditya, rectification. Only he have the problem. Undercast. Only everything you know. Undercast means same. That person, if it is credit, credit you have to do. If it is debit, debit you have to do. Remaining suspense. If it is overcast means opposite you have to do. If it is a credit, debit you have to do. If it is debit, credit you have to do.
Suspense account data to Ravish account.
So,
Suspense account data to Ravish account.
correct. Correct, Jalri. Suspense account to Ravish. Suspense account debtor to Ravish account. Difference 2,000. Suspense account to Ravish account being undercasting, simple term, undercasting of Ravish. Next, returned inward book overcast by rupees 1,000. Return inward overcast. Return inward overcast by rupees 1000. Overcast means opposite you have to do. Sales return overcast. Atul. Entry. Sales return overcast.
Sales return debtor to suspense.
So you tell whether sale is debit or credit. Sale,
Sir, debit.
debit. So you tell
Sir, credit. Sorry.
okay. So
Credit.
Atul, sales return.
Sales return is debit.
Okay. So you tell now sales return book overcast.
The suspense account debtor to sales return.
Yes, suspense account added to sales return. Suspense account added to sales return account. Suspense account to sales return account being sales return book overcast. Overcast means opposite. Suspense account to sales return. Next, third, total of sales book rupees 10,000 was not posted to sales account. Not posted to sales account. So not posted to sales account. Sharath. Not posted to sales. You know, we have to look whether sale is debit or credit. So that opposite aspect suspense. So you tell total of sales book not posted to sales account.
Sales account debtor to suspense account.
Sale is debit or credit.
Credit.
So then entry will be
Sales account debtor to suspense account.
no. Sale is credit. So credit sales you have to post. So debit will be suspense. Okay, not posted to sales. So you have to look whether sale is debit or credit. Credit. So suspense accounted to sales. Suspense accounted to sales account. Being sales not posted to sales account. $10,000. Next, credit purchase from Nanak rupees 7,000 were recorded in the sales book. However, Nanak's account was correctly credited. Purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return, the transaction only. However, Nanak's account was correctly credited. So it is one side error. However, Nanak's account was correctly credited. Entry, Aparna.
Sir, purchase account debtor to sales account debtor to suspense account.
Yes, purchase account debtor, sales account debtor to suspense account. To suspense account. Being credit purchase, recorded in sales book. However, Nanak's account was correctly credited. Okay, so if it is a two-sided error means to that person you have to write. Next one, machinery purchased for rupees 10,000. We purchased machinery for rupees 10,000, posted to purchase. Posted to purchase, how much? 5,000. Machinery purchase 10,000, posted to machinery 5,000. Karthik, entry. Purchased, posted to purchase account. Machinery purchase 10,000, posted to purchase 5,000. Entry.
Sir, machinery account.
Yes, machinery account debtor 10,000. Okay.
To purchase account.
To purchase account 5,000. Okay.
To suspense account.
Yes. To suspense account. Okay. Being machinery purchased, posted to purchase account. Machinery account to purchase to suspense account. Okay, over. So now we will prepare the suspense account. So we'll look at the journal. First, suspense account to Ravish. Here, suspense is debit. So debit side to Ravish. $2,000. 1 minute. Before that, one thing I forgot. So here, one thing it is given. Trial balance of Anuj didn't agree. It shows an excess credit of rupees 6,000. Excess credit of rupees 6,000. Excess credit of rupees 6,000. So already we said we have to put which one balance in that, which one debit side of the suspense, debit side of the trial balance. So we will write debit side to difference as per trial balance. Okay, if it is excess debit, you have to write in the credit side, then it will be equal. Okay, 6,000. Okay, so that you have to write first. So if it is excess debit, you put in the credit side of suspense account. If it is excess credit, you put in the debit side of suspense account to difference as per trial balance. Now we will write remaining to Ravish account 2,000. Next, second one, suspense account to sales return 1,000. To sales return 1,000. To sales return 1,000. Next, suspense account to sales. Suspense account to sales, debit. Debit you have to write 10,000. To sales, 10,000. 10,000. Okay, suspense account to sales. So debit side 10,000. Next, purchase account at sales account to suspense. So amount I write 7,000. Okay, 7,000, 7,000, 14,000. So double effect only. Credit suspense for one credit, there is a two debit, purchase and sales. Purchase and sales. By purchase, by sales. By purchase, by sales. Next. Next one more. Here also credit is suspense, debit is machinery, amount 5,000. Credit is suspense by machinery, opposite aspect, machinery by machinery. Suspense amount is 5,000. You look at that, two side should be equal because already given the balance, excess credit. Okay, so next class we will continue the problem. Thank you.